ang kekatamong panayan. Ape-ape mamiye saya karing hanggang kapapangan.
Talentadong kabalengke gumiliw pa.
Alantok ng saya kening Ktube. May pakaili ka kang araw muna. Sakit ka at siyang kremo Ukraina. Jonas at April magkantala. Ate ko kugale tunay barkada. Ktube kapampangan syub. Abengan kantahan o krayan ang pangkumustahan. Ktube kapampangan syub. Abeka kenina kekataya. Ktube. Malago kang babae, sentingan ko nga lang silbi. Uling emo ko sa kaso. Postura kong miss ng kamay. Banmo ko sanang badyawan. Papangloko emo man na bao. Sana naman midinandalan. Inga sabi ko ing tunay kong panam naman. Yeka pangarap ko ako na'y king puso mo. Ako na'y swerteng lalaki. Uli malago kang babae.
Alam mong kanta nung ako magkamali partner. Da-dedicate me siguro yan kanako.
Wa naman partner. Hanggang ngayon mo sabihin yan.
Sumula! Oh, hello!
Welcome back, Katambuyers!
Woohoo! Welcome
Ayan.
back, Katambuyers! And nanong sorpresa tamong ampang karang kaya katamong kabalen ngeni.
Yes, alam mo naman, kanyapin sexy kang yeni. Uling dakal-dakal tamang sorpresa.
Ali kasi binagay kay ketang kanta mo. Makarine naman syempre para mag-compliment na watang malago kang babae. Oh, di ba?
Sige. Okay, ending may pambagyan.
Kaya sa'yo. Paturo ko pa kang ara muna. Ay, speaking of ara muna, i-announce tayo ang major concert na King Heroes Hall king September 23. Our
Suya
very
po ka
own
rin yung kaya katamong Pinoy pop superstar na April de Los Santos.
ating R&B sensation ng Pampanga ay Jonas David.
Po, papuin kaya katamong kaluguran na Hans B na mag-celebrate pa mong birthday na last episode.
Ay, bonggang-bongga naman yung kayang celebration.
Nag-enjoy ko rin partner.
Awa. Oh, Katambayers, agli, may kapag-visit na kayo po ba king Facebook page ng Ktube? Just type KTUBE and ayan, mag-flash na po yung page ng Ktube and i-like niya po. Mag-post kayo pong pictures, comments, ang kinano.
Yes, i-like ya.
At dahil Ken, syempre, bitin na kayo pa Katambayers, magbalik kami po, dakal kayo pa po surpresa, Kenny mo yan, king tambayan da rin Kapampangan,
King Ktube.
Malago ka talaga.
Oh, no.
Fact that mag-render tamo muna man na serbisyo ka rin barangay na mag-lecture tamo tungkol kay barangay justice system. Yan, bibiyata mo kanya na libre ganyan.
so many different ways, out in the darkness with no guide. I know the cost of a losing hand, but for the grace of God, no, I found heaven on earth. You are my last, my first. I'll always hear this voice inside, singing Ave Maria. I've been alone when I'm surrounded by friends. How could the silence be so loud? But I still move on, knowing that I've got you. There's only us when lights go down. I found heaven on earth. You are my hunger, my thirst. I'll always hear this voice inside, singing Ave Maria. Sometimes love can come and pass you by while you're busy making plans, and suddenly hit you, and then you realize it's out of your hands. Baby, you've got to understand, you are my heaven on earth. You are my last, my first. I'll always hear this voice inside. Ave
Through the darkness, I can see your light, and you will always shine, and I can feel your heart and mine. Your face I've memorized, I idolize just you. I look up to everything you are. In my eyes you do know I've loved you for so long, and after all is said and done, you're still you. After all, you're still you. You walk past me Time changes everything. One truth always stays the same. You're still you. After all, you're still you. I look up to everything you are. In my eyes you do no wrong, and I believe in you, although you never asked me to. I will remember you and what life put you through. And in this cruel and lonely world, I found wonder. You're still you. After all, you're still you.
I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dreams.
Ay, naku, mi pasoso ko. Kabalen, aliwa palaya ko ing bidang ngeni ngaldo ngay ni. Ngeni, awsan ko la rin kaya katamong bisita. Dimdam tamong kinantanan din. Isamang po'y Amy.
Mayaman yung feeling kasi medyo it's a great honor pinarapin, di ba? Kasi kanita Alben kaya pa yung Ktube niya ni may kapag-guest na ako kay
Wow,
Ktube.
ngeni, ika ng bida,
Wow.
di ba? Ika Amy, so share mo naman yung experience mo ngeni.
Actually, first time ko rin may kaiging camera. Kaya medyo maniba yung
So maluwat na kayo bang, ikayo, maluwat na kayong magkanta. So kapilan comic start.
Ako personally, mag-start na akong magkanta kahit pa first year high school. Kanya magkanta ako.
Ako, 4th year high school.
Wow, so kita namang pa magkilala yung makananita. So ever since ba mag-duet na kayo?
Ali naman, we recently found each other 2 years ago. Kanyang miyabe kami. So, wala mo may itong racket na may kailangan kong babaeng singer.
Ayan,
ginawa
speaking
ko.
of racket, invite tala rin kaya katamong kabalen, karen kaya kayong rackets. Ayan.
If you need wedding singers, please contact us 0935-9534-517.
Ayan,
Personal
0916-5577008.
Personal number namin yan.
Ayan, salamat sa amin, Amy. Ayan, abe, pasibayo pakiramdaman tala rin kaya katamong bisita, king bida ka, abe.